Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing. As you can see, I have got a new package. I went to my mail office yesterday and I picked this up, this package. And it contains one TV show from the 60s and one movie from 2020 somewhere. So if you want to know which kind of TV show it is and the movie, you have to follow this episode to find out. So, no further ado, let's dive right into it. Today on Unboxing. Well, I have just opened up the package. And, let's take a look at the TV show first. Yeah, let's take a look at the TV show. First up, this package is from Platekompaniet, as you can see there. And, first up, let's take a look. This is the standard DVD. Doctor Who, The Savages. So this is the front of the J card. Yeah. And this is the back. All the episodes of this story is missing. So, we have episode 1 through 4. 1 till 4. Animated in black and white. And also episode 1 to 4 animated in color. We have photographic reconstruction of episodes 1 through 4. And we have surviving footage. Yeah, there are some little clips here and there of the story. But the episodes in concern are missing. So there are a little bit footage here and there. Audio commentaries. Ines Lloyd documentary. We have photo gallery. We have PDF material. Remembering, forgetting, the Savage documentaries. Yeah. So here, where I hold my finger, are the special features. We have some pictures up here from the story. And this is one of the stories with William Hartnell, the first Doctor. If you want to know. So this is one of his stories. So this is the DVD cover. Yeah, it's almost the same as the J card or the slip cover, if you prefer. So this is the front. This is the back. With some special features here. And PG, parental guidance. Parental guidance, general viewing, but some scenes may be unsuitable for young children. Yeah. This is the back. And this is the side. Yeah. Well, I open up the plastic and inside we have a flippable cover. You can flip it. You can have this cover. Or you can flip it to this cover. Well, but I prefer this cover. Yeah. So I'm going to flip it to the other side. Yeah. So this is the front of the gray cover picture. And this is the back. Special features here. Doctor Who logo there. The Savages title there. And some pictures from the episode there. Well, to be honest, I haven't seen this episode. No, I haven't seen this episode before. No. So, and also I haven't read no novels, no books of this story. Or other Doctor Who story for that matter. No, I haven't. I have only seen the episodes. Yeah. Never read novels or books that are released. No. There you see William Hartnell, the little picture there. And you see the TARDIS. And you see William Hartnell right here as the Doctor. You see the DVD logo here. And it's 3 discs. Yeah. One of the discs contains all episodes in color. The second disc contains all episodes in black and white. And the third disc contains special features of something. Yeah. So here we have disc 1. Well, disc 1 contains episode 1 till 4, black and white, animated, plus bonus features. And disc 2, as you can see there, contains episode 1 till 4, color, animated in color, plus bonus features. And disc 3, as you can see there, contains bonus features. Yeah. And well, these are the booklets that contains the story, the Savages, that you can read about the story. And the other booklet contains all the things that you can buy of Doctor Who. But we're not going to show that, no. Well, this is the Steelbook of Doctor Who. The Savages. Why didn't he order the standard Blu-ray? Well, the standard Blu-ray, no. I'm not going to get the standard Blu-ray from now on. Well, I'm only going to get the Steelbooks. Try to get Steelbooks, but they are expensive. Yeah. Well, some of the Steelbooks are expensive. As you know, the first season with Nugatti Gatwa, yeah, that season 1 with him, it's expensive to get on Steelbook, yeah. And this is the back of the J card. So if I remove the plastic, yeah. This is the J card. You saw the slip cover. Yeah. So this is the J card. So this is the front of the J card. Doctor Who, the Savages, and on top here it stands BBC. And this is the back. Up here, you can read about the episodes. And here you can see the special features. And here, down here, you can read about all the people that are in the episodes or people that are helping creating the episodes. Yeah. And under here, you see how long these episodes are from, and all the other information. And this is the bottom of the J card. Yeah, and well, here we have episode 1 till 4, animated black and white. We have episodes 1 till 4, animated in color. We got photographic reconstruction of episode 1 till 4, surviving footage, compilation. We have got audio commentaries. We got Eins Lloyd documentary, we got photo gallery, we got PDF material, Remembering, Forgetting the Savage documentary. And, well, this is the front of the Steelbook. Front with the TARDIS on fire or something. And here we see a mysterious person. Yeah. And here we see another mysterious person on the side. This is the back. Yeah, it looks like they're on a spaceship or a space station. Yeah. And if we open it up, you can see that's all. And we have 3 discs. Disc 1, 2, and 3. And if we removed the disc and take a look what's behind, it looks like something like this. Yeah. Yeah, so this is Doctor Who, The Savages. Yeah. Well, the Steelbook Blu-ray and the standard DVD. From now on, I'm going to get all the Steelbooks. But, well, some of the Steelbooks from Plate Company is very expensive. Yeah. But I will eventually get them some point. I want to get season 1 with Nugatti Gatwa, the first season that he released for a couple of years ago. Yeah. But that is expensive on Steelbook, so I only got it on standard DVD or standard Blu-ray. But I don't remember, but it's on standard Blu-ray or DVD. I have to check it first. Yeah. Well, the movie. Yeah. You are maybe asking yourself, oh, he mentioned a movie from 2020 something. The first movie of this movie. This is the sequel. So the first movie was released back in the 80s. And the movie we are talking about, Michael Keaton is back as Beetlejuice. So this is the sequel that was released in 2024. Yeah, last year. So this is the front. This is the back. Yeah, well, this is the slipcover. So this is the front of the slipcover with Michael Keaton as Beetlejuice. And this is the back. Well, this is for 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. Yeah. And this is the Steelbook itself. So this is the front of Michael Keaton as Beetlejuice. And this is Winona Ryder as the girl, yeah. That in the first one, she was much younger than. She helps the couple that lives in the house to fight Beetlejuice. And much more, yeah. So if we open it like so, yeah. And this is disc 1 and 2. Yeah, it's Blu-ray and 4K. But I'm gonna play only the Blu-ray. Yeah. So if we take out the discs, this is what's inside. Yeah. Well, you remember for a while ago I told you that I don't have any 4K players. No, I don't. I only have Blu-ray. I got the DVD. I got the VHS player, but not a 4K player. No. Why? Why do you ask? Well, there are some 4K players out there that are expensive. And also you have to buy a new TV, a 4K TV that you can play your 4K machine on. So that's going to be expensive too. But, well, it doesn't matter. It's a Blu-ray also inside here in this Steelbook. Well, we have also some special features. Yeah, of Beetlejuice. And, well, the special features are over 2 hours of special features. We got commentary by Tim Burton, the making of Beetlejuice, and 6 more featurettes. If you see here, where I hold my finger, there you can see the special features. Yeah. And here you see all the cast members that are in the movie. Yeah, Jenna Ortega. Yeah, you remember Jenna Ortega from the TV show Wednesday. Yeah, she's in here too. If you see here, where I hold my finger, right there, there's Jenna Ortega. Yeah, she plays Winona Ryder's daughter in this movie. And, well, also you remember the woman that are in Home Alone. Yeah, that plays Macaulay Culkin's mother in Home Alone. Yeah, she's in here too. If you can find her. Yeah, she's in Beetlejuice too. She's in both of them. The first one and the second one. Yeah. Well, this time you see Beetlejuice wants to get married. Yeah. And also he is married to this girl, this woman. But, complication and complicated and, yeah. So, also it's a fun, exciting, and a great movie to watch, and also it's awesome. Yeah, I watched this movie last year on Max, HBO Max. Yeah, it's it was awesome. I I wasn't disappointed. No, I like the first one from the 80s, and I also like the second one. That's because I got the first one on Blu-ray, standard Blu-ray. Yeah, but but soon, soon I will probably get it on Steelbook as well. Yeah. So two Steelbooks: Doctor Who versus Beetlejuice Steelbooks, and a standard DVD. So this is the pile that I got. Yeah. Before I go, I want to mention this that, I have heard that there's gonna be a new season with Tom Baker. Yeah, the Blu-ray collection. This thick box set, and it's gonna be season 13, and Tom Baker is the fourth Doctor. Yeah. I have heard that the season are gonna come soon in 2025. Isn't season 13 the second season of Tom Baker, if I'm not mistaken? I can't wait. I can't hardly wait to order it. Yeah. But it hasn't been released yet. No, but it's on its way out there somewhere. And also I saw the last episode of Doctor Who with Nugatti Gatwa. Yeah, spoilers. Yeah, because I haven't seen the entire season yet. No. I only watched a couple of clips here and there, so I know what to expect. Yeah. Well, one episode you can see Omega. Yeah, Omega from the Three Doctors. John Pertwee, William Hartnell, and Patrick Troughton. Yeah, back in the day. And now Omega is back. But, Russell T Davies has changed his appearance a little bit. So Omega looks a little different. Yeah. And that happens to Sutek as well in season 1. Russell T Davies and the people have changed Sutek's appearance also. But there's some problems with that. Some people didn't like that. Oh, they changed his appearance. We don't like that. And also I saw the last episode when Billy Piper, you see Nugatti Gatwa regenerates, and you see Billy Piper shows up. And she was smiling, and she says, "Hello." And then the episode ended. Yeah, I know that much. But I haven't watched the entire season yet. So there's more. Yeah, there's more inside that season I haven't watched yet. But I have also seen a scene where they are in a theater watching a movie on the screen, and you see this cartoon comes out of the screen. I'm a little curious about that. Yeah. So Doctor Who. I made a video for a while ago and told you that Doctor Who season 3 it's maybe gonna be released season 20 in 2026 or 2027, season 3. But now I seen another video on YouTube that some people says, oh, there's not going to be any Doctor Who until 2030. Yeah, in 5 years from now. So, who's right and who's wrong? 2026 or 2027 or 2030? Yeah. Well, we have to wait and see. Yeah. So that's it for now. Share your knowledge, collection with other Doctor Who fans all over the world. And as the fourth Doctor used to say, do you want a jelly, baby? Yeah. So, bye.